So at the beginning of 2020, I got served with a complaint for custody and parenting time. My grandmother gave me a number for a lawyer and I reached out to him right away. A week or two passes and then my ex decides to file a motion for temporary custody of our daughter. My lawyer found out about the motion and reached out to me immediately. Now, I didn't receive any kind of notice about this motion, so had I not been in contact with a lawyer, he would have won temporary custody of our daughter because I wouldn't have shown up to the court date. Now, in his affidavit that he filed along with his motion, he claims parental alienation. He claims that I live in 2 different houses. Basically, he makes it sound like he never sees or hears from our daughter and that he has no idea where we live. He makes me out to be this unstable, hot mess of a parent, basically. So we show up to court the day of the hearing, and the judge ruled that he would not be getting temporary custody of our daughter because I was able to prove that he was lying. He was seeing our daughter, he was in contact with our daughter, and at the time I had been living at the same address for 10 plus years. We ended up just creating a temporary custody agreement. My biggest piece of advice to you if you're going through this right now is to get everything in writing. That is what saved me, having everything in writing so that I could back up and say, like, no, he's been seeing her. We've been emailing back and forth for months. He's been picking her up on these days at this time. Having witnesses helps too. People who can say, I've been there and seen him pick his daughter up. Having proof of my ex admitting to having a personality disorder also helped. A few other things I'd like to add is to stay in control of your emotions. No matter what he says or does to trigger you, stay in control. Don't let it bother you. Just ignore him. When you're communicating and writing, make sure you don't say anything that you wouldn't want a judge to read. Always conduct yourself as if a judge is watching you. I hope this helps.